My dear friends, hope you're all doing good. Friends, I'm coming live today to make this important announcement for November 2026 examination and even for those who are going to write in May 2027 CA final AFM examination. Yes, friends, I'm coming live with a unique mentorship program and recorded classes announcement on June 1st. So please make sure you may keep yourself free on June 1st night at 9 p.m. because we are going to announce three very important things. Point number one is about our updated recorded lectures of how it has been updated, how these classes are extremely useful for anyone to study in a very less span of time and get maximum marks. Point number two, it will be about free mentorship where I'll give you 100% support, study plan and lot of many other things which I will announce on June 1st night at 9 p.m. Not only that, we will also have certain features of premium mentorship also. The premium mentorship will mainly include the test series and such kind of support which can be given add-on, for which there will be a minimum charge to cover up the cost of the people who are working behind that. So friends, do not delay, register on the link below and wait for June 1st when I will come live and I will explain to you as to how all these things are going to happen. Let's study together. Let's win together.